Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming connectivity and power. You need internet and a charged device. Next, you'll gather the Apple ID email and any recovery phone or trusted device. This speeds verification. Open Settings and tap your name, or tap Sign in if shown. Once there, try to sign in. If the system says the account is not active, note the exact message and move on to account recovery steps so you can re-enable access without delay. Now you'll run the recovery flow. Choose Reset Password or Account Recovery from the sign-in screen. You'll be prompted to verify a trusted phone, email, or use a trusted device. Provide the code sent or approve the request on that device. If two-factor authentication prevents access, request a recovery key or start account recovery. This can take hours to days, so make sure your contact info is current and monitor messages closely for Apple's instructions. Once you've reset the password or completed recovery, sign back into the device and other Apple services immediately. Update your saved password in Mail, iCloud, and apps. Then strengthen the account. Enable two-factor authentication, add a current trusted phone number, and register a recovery key if you want. If the account still shows inactive after these steps, contact Apple support with your device serial and proof of purchase. That's the key.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.